You know what? Nung una kitang makilala, I was actually impressed by you. Akala ko, for once, may ginawang tama si Edward by choosing you. Pero, I was wrong about you. Materialistic ka rin, gaya ng ibang babae.
Sabihin mo ng mukha akong pera. Well, totoo naman eh. Pero hindi ko to ginagawa para sa sarili ko. Gusto kong ma-secure ang future ng baby ko. Ng apo nyo. If being a good mother makes me a bad person in your book, then so